This video shows you how to collaborate with other users on responses in Project ESG Reporting Preview. To create a task, go to Tasks. Select New Task to collaborate with team members or other teams. First, specify a subject. For instance, you might write, Add response for biodiversity policies for region EMEA. Next, select the artifact. In this case, I'll pick the specific requirement that asks for biodiversity policies. Then, you can assign the task to a different user within your team or another team. You can also specify a due date for when this task needs to be completed. After entering all the details, save and close the task. You can switch views from My Tasks to All Tasks to see the task you just created and assigned. Switching back to My Tasks lets you view tasks assigned to you. For example, you can see a task asking for biodiversity policies for all regions with an artifact labeled Policy 1011A. Selecting this artifact allows you to see the specific requirements. In this case, it's asking for a biodiversity policy for the North America region, which requires a qualitative response. Here, you can type your response using rich text. You can specify what those policies are, format the text as needed, and include all the necessary details. We provide a range of rich text options to help you format your qualitative responses effectively. This way, you can refine your responses and add them to the corresponding requirements. As part of your responses, you can also add dimensions. For instance, if you want to specify that these policies apply to North America, create a new dimension link, name it Region, North America, and then select the appropriate dimension member. Save and close to tie your fact to this dimension member. After finishing, save and close, and mark the task as complete. Then, close the task. This approach allows you to collaborate efficiently with other users, and they can collaborate with you when responding to various standard requirements. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out these links for more information and join the conversation on our social media pages.